A Yui. Alright.
Can you turn those things?
Sure.
I don't know what a Yui
So Ryan is changing his handlebars because he don't like them. For some reason, a bunch of chrome stuff fell off the back of the bike. But he found a use for a sissy bar. It's a good helmet rack.
Yep.
He wanted a solo seat, so somehow he wound up with a double seat that's thinner and looks better. But that's how that happened. Developed a fairing.
Yeah.
Couldn't afford T-bars, so we're gonna go with stock handlebars instead. Stock Harley handlebars.
Who wants T-bars?
I don't know. Get that screw out yet?
This one I'm working on.
There's 6 of them in there. I did 3.
Where's the other 2? Do you have them?
They were on the ground right
They're
now.
right there.
Oh.
I put them right where I want to lose them.
Okay.
There's one right there and one right there. As long as you don't move them, you're all right. Okay, I think you got enough off. It's almost off. You give me that last screw out there, it'll be off. The screw's on your side. Isn't
It is out.
Oh. Okay, then we have another hidden cover over here. So we have to take this off to get this off, I guess.
Oh man.
Look at all that nice stuff in there.
Oh, it's got a lip on it?
Yeah, well, the light was all in there. Yeah, look at all that junk in there. There's all kinds of junk in there.
Taking this shit off is going to be fun.
It was fun, the whole thing was taken off. Okay, the back panel should come off now. Can you get the back panel off of there?
Oh, I have to take the top.
Gotta take all the screws off. Or are these holding other stuff? I don't remember. Maybe they were holding other seat. There might be more junk they were holding. Okay, where's the handlebar cables at?
They're hanging down here.
Where's it going to? I don't see the one on this side.
It's on.
Oh, here it is. Yeah, we gotta get this inner cover off. Or back cover, whatever you want to call this stupid cover.
So much for a 5-minute job.
Oh, this is not a 5-minute job.
No. Ah. It's a 5-hour job. I've been here all day.
Yeah, we still got an hour light left.
Just kidding.
So this is holding something else together, but I don't know what it is. We'll find out.
It's fucking easier to fix my kickstart than it was to fucking do this.
That's right.
No.
Kickstarts are easy.
Holy shit.
This is a long-winded screw here. I have to turn the bar some more. It can't be at half mast. I run out of room in the gas tank. Here, hold on. I need like to shake a lot, but I need 2 hands.
Does this need to come off?
No. That cover needs to come off. I don't know why it's not coming off.
There's another one here.
I know, the screws are very long-winded. More likely they're holding something together that I don't want to take off. But
Yeah.
it's finally coming out of this one. Okay, here. Turn the bars the other way. So I'm sure it's taking something off that we don't want to deal with. But oh well. Okay. Well, look at that. Yep, that's all we get.
Wait, so there's 3 screws there and 3 screws there.
Okay. Snip. They need to be extended.
Well, put the old bars back on.
See the plug down here. I need to get this cover out of here so I can pull these plugs out because I have to have access to the front to pull the plug. And these can come out and they can be extended pretty easily. But I don't have access to it. This is a major pain in the butt doing
Yeah, I'll just leave the old bars on.
doing all this stuff here.
We'll just leave them on. I don't want to fuck with it.
If we come out underneath here,
I think you got it all fine now.
Yeah, and I can see how much shit is in there.
I told you there was a bunch of crap hidden under there. You didn't believe me.
No, you said that there might be enough room.
Yeah, well, it's not because it comes right off of here. That's the plug right there.
Yep.
So if you don't have this covers on here, then it fits.
What covers this cover?
Yeah, because it pulls up strong enough to get up to here.
So take this cover off.
Yeah, if you take that off, we can get this long enough to get up to there. Then at your leisure, we can go ahead and put the plugs, lengthen these wires, and it'll work.
So in the meantime, I won't have headlights, or
Why would you not have a headlight?
Well, you're gonna have
if I have to
headlights.
unplug it all, then I won't have
No,
any.
it's gonna work
You're
without
taking the
plug.
covers out of the way. The covers are the problem. The covers force you to go up to the very top. When the cover is out of the way, then you're no longer on the top. So we just need to get this one loose here. So once I can slide this out like that.
There you go.
Okay, now, see this wire can just go to here. So if you push that button down right there, push down on the plug, voila.
How about this one?
Same thing. Throttle cable's the next problem. So throttle cables need to be unrooted from how they are. Because right now they're going around the front over here. So we need to take off this screw. What's that, a Phillips or a
That's a hook.
hex? We need to take a hex off. Alright, we'll be back.